Albert and MoneyLion both give access to early cash, but they work in completely different systems. Albert is built around small cash advances tied to your bank activity. MoneyLion combines cash advances with a full banking-style app that includes credit-building tools and financial accounts. That difference changes how you qualify, how you get money, and how much control you have over repayment. By the end of this, you'll know which app is easier to get approved for, how their cash advance systems actually work, and which one fits better depending on whether you want simple advances or a full financial platform. Albert is designed to be simple. It connects to your bank account, reads your income and spending patterns, and decides whether you qualify for a cash advance. If approved, you can request a small amount directly inside the app. The focus is speed and minimal setup. MoneyLion is more layered. It includes a cash advance feature, but it also offers a full financial ecosystem with a spending account, credit-building tools, and other services. That means the app is not just about getting cash early, it's about managing money in multiple ways inside one platform. Now break down approval behavior. Albert relies heavily on your bank activity. If your income looks consistent, you're more likely to qualify for advances. If your account activity is irregular, access can be limited or reduced. MoneyLion uses a broader system. It looks at your account history, and also your engagement with the AP's financial tools. That means your access can depend on how actively you use the platform, not just your income deposits. Now talk about speed and experience. Albert is usually more straightforward. You open the app, check eligibility, and request an advance if available. It feels like a direct cash tool. MoneyLion takes a more structured approach. Because it includes multiple features like accounts and credit tools, the cash advance feature sits inside a larger system. That can feel more powerful, but also more complex for first-time users. Now the key difference. Albert is focused on quick, small advances with minimal setup. MoneyLion is focused on building a longer-term financial system that includes advances as just one part of the app. Here's the simple breakdown. Albert is better if you want fast, simple cash access tied directly to your bank activity. MoneyLion is better if you want a full financial app with cash advances, banking features, and credit-building tools in one place. Do this next. Check how often you need cash advances and whether you want a simple tool or a full financial platform. Then compare your bank activity stability and how comfortable you are using multiple features in one app. If you want simplicity, Albert fits better. If you want a full system, MoneyLion makes more sense.